Every remedy in classical homeopathy has a personality. And when I say personality, I don't mean a diagnosis. I don't mean a label. I mean a pattern. A remedy personality is a recognizable way of moving through the world. The person who can't rest until everything is in order. The one who gives and never asks. The one who holds it all together in public then falls apart alone. These are patterns homeopaths have observed for over 200 years. And when you hear one described, something in you might say, that's me. That's what this series is about. 3 remedies a week, one personality at a time. Each video is about a minute or two. No jargon, no lecture, just a pattern described in modern terms. One might sound like you, others might sound like people you know. But that moment of recognition is not a remedy selection. In classical homeopathy, the remedy is chosen from the whole pattern of the person, not one trait, not one symptom, the whole person. So follow for more remedy personalities, and when you're ready for that deeper conversation, visit homeobound.com.